Hello students. Students, in today's class, in exercise number 11, we will learn about the parliaments and capitals of different countries. Now look at the board. These are the country names and these are the parliament names. First one is Spain. In Spain, which parliamenters were courts generals? Saudi Arabia, Majlis al-Shura. It works. Majlis al-Shura is the name of the parliament which works in Saudi Arabia. Kuwait, National Assembly. USA, that is United States of America, Congress. Nepal, Rashtriya Panchayat. Yes, Rashtriya Panchayat is the name of parliament. It works in Nepal. Australia, Federal Parliament. Japan, Diet. Switzerland, Federal Assembly. India, you all know the answer, Sansad. UK is United Kingdom, Parliament. Iran, Majlis. Majlis al-Shura in Saudi Arabia and only Majlis in Iran. Norway, Storting. China, National People's Congress. Israel, Knesset. Germany, Bundestag. Children, second part of this exercise is of true and false, which is based on the countries and the capitals, as that it is given in the exercise name also. Now first one is Havana is the capital of Cuba. Yes, it's true. And children, do you know that Cuba is also known as the sugar bowl of world? Recently, Germany has shifted its capital from Berlin to Munich. No, it's false. Jerusalem is the capital of Sudan. No, it's false because Jerusalem is the capital of Israel. Now, Canberra is the capital of Australia. It's true. The city of Athens is the capital of Greece. True. Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia. Yes, it's true. Malaysia's capital is Kuala Lumpur. True. The city of Helsinki is the capital of Finland. True. The capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. It is also true. The capital of Egypt is Cairo. Yes, Cairo is the capital of Egypt. It's true. Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. Yes, it's true. The capital of Venezuela is Caracas. Yes, it is also true. Look the next one. Oslo is the capital of Nigeria. It's false. The capital of Namibia is Windhoek. Yes, it's true. The capital of Monaco is Monaco. It's true. Children, from here onwards, I'm going to start your exercise number 12. That is countries of the world. First one is, it is the communist country. Havana and Santiago are its main cities. It's Peru, it's Cuba, Vietnam or Switzerland. Havana is the capital of which country? Cuba. So here the answer is Cuba. Next one, it lies in Central Asia. It broke away from the former Soviet Union in 1991. Its capital is Tashkent. It's Ukraine, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan or Tajikistan. So answer is Uzbekistan. It lies in South America. Its official language is Spanish. It is a leading exporter of petroleum. Mexico, Argentina, Venezuela or Brazil. So Venezuela is the leading exporter of petroleum and its official language is Spanish. Look the number 4. Niagara Falls are a major tourist attraction of this country. Its main cities are Vancouver, Toronto, Montreal. Canada, Chile, Australia और USA. So Niagara Falls से ही आंसर आपको क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए that Niagara Falls is in Canada. So Canada is the answer. Fifth one, it is the largest country in the world and lies in two continents. The Volga River flows through it. Turkey, USA, Russia, Canada. Answer is Russia. Number 6, it lies in Africa. It achieved independence in 1963. Nairobi and Mombasa are its main cities. Nigeria, Kenya, Norway, Zambia. Answer is Kenya. Number 7, it was divided into two separate countries till 1990. Hamburg, Munich and Stuttgart are some of its main cities. It's Germany, Denmark, Sudan or France? It is Germany. Now look the 8th one. It is the second largest country in the Western Europe. It is bordered on the south and the east by Mediterranean Sea. It's Portugal, Spain, Iceland or Turkey. Its answer is Spain. Next one, the name of the country as well as its capital starts with letter B. Antwerp, Ghent and Bruges are some of its main cities. It's Botswana, Bhutan, Belize or Belgium. It is Belgium. And the last one of this exercise and today's videos is, it lies in Africa. The capital Rabat. Arabic is the official language. It's Morocco, Libya, Saudi Arabia or Uganda. So your answer is Morocco. Morocco is in Africa. Capital Rabat. Arabic is the language. Now do these exercises in your book and complete your work and send me the exercises. First I will check it and afterwards send the work to your class teacher so that your presence will be marked. That's all for today. Goodbye.